Hi Dipali. Guys, as you know, Dipali is our
Hi.
winner for the third edition of the Communicator. So, Dipali, just tell us a little about yourself.
My name is Dipali Pandit, and I'm pursuing BA in Psychology from Jai Hind College, Mumbai, Maharashtra. My participation in Communicators is like a very beautiful story because I do remember the day when my friend Tanya, she messaged me. She was like, "Hey, why don't you participate in it? You can make it." And I was a bit hesitant because the lockdown and the motivation was also a little low. So she said, just give it a try. And I had this intuition, just what's the harm? Because exploring your talents, exploring your gifts, rest, leave it to God, whatever. But I wanted to do my best, and that is what it happened. Took participation and gave my best and won it. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah, so that's very nice. I've just joined as an intern, but and then I saw your video when Krishna sir told me that it has come up. So, how did you come up with that story? It was a really nice story that you came up with, which was the qualification for the second round.
Yeah. So this story was there in my mind for a lot of years. I had thought of it it just came naturally to me.
Yeah. So the question I was asking you is, you're doing your BA in psychology currently. So was this always your career choice, or did it just came through the way your life progressed?
Before my 10th standard, I had no idea that something called a psychology. So do you
Okay.
understand the kind of a stigma it is attached to the mental health, that people aren't aware that there's a subject on which you can actually has so much of scope that can provide healing all across the globe. And it was I think from school we a lot of students are not aware. Now they are, but previously they weren't, because these things were not discussed openly.
Right.
Be it anxiety, be it depression, be it panic attacks, abuse, and everything. And
Right.
that's when I got the opportunity. Luckily, in Jain College, I got to study psychology, and gradually I realized that it is such a fascinating subject. I mean, the amount of uh, impact, the amount of uh, growth it is in the subject, that you can contribute back to the society. And since childhood, बचपन से होता है, या तो engineering, या तो doctor, या तो
True.
architect, या तो pilot. So I was never introduced to this field because it's never spoken about. And when I became aware of it, I was like, where was I since all these years? Where was I? This is the subject that I want to study. This is the subject that I want to make people aware about. Like, people should really, really love, just indulge into the subject. And, you know, it is such a beautiful subject it is.
So, like, were you researching, and that's when you came across a subject called psychology, or who told you about it, or was it just on your own?
So when we went for the admission, we had this choices of, and I do remember when I asked teacher, what about psychology? She just said that you go ahead for it, you will love it. So I was like, okay, this is very new, because I didn't want to take mathematics. So
Right.
I was like, take psychology. It seems to be more interesting,
Correct.
and that's when I realized that, yeah, I can, really give back to society in this way, and can make this world a more happy place, a more, where stigmas are not attached to this concept, and people are genuinely aware. Because there is one side of a world who doesn't know that they're in depression, and there's one side of a world who knows it, but they don't have courage to speak about it.
Correct.
Like example of Sushant Singh. So yeah.
Right. So, like you just spoke about Sushant Singh Rajput. How do you think people who are afraid or don't know how to express what they're going through, what is the message for them that you want to give?
Message for them is that, I know that 2020 is cruel, but I think more than that, we are cruel. That we are unable to figure out as a human being. We are, some people are so selfish that all they can read or all they can see is just the outward thing, and
True,
they
true.
can't figure out what is going on inside, because either the case that they're themselves so scared to see it because they can see themselves in that person, so they have no courage to go and ask that person that, hey, is there something wrong? Or either way is that, people are so mean, so selfish, that they're happy to crush someone down, pull someone down, and they just want to enjoy the success on that. But the truth is that we are facing it. This corona is, so yeah.
It's
I
yeah,
think अगर
it's
इसके बाद भी अगर लोग नहीं समझते हैं, I feel God must be planning something bigger, something worse than corona.
right, right. So, and they say in India that it is a taboo कि depression के बारे में बात मत करो, मत बताओ कि है. And many people fear कि अरे लोग क्या सोचेंगे, so I shouldn't talk about the problems I'm facing.
Yeah.
But that just breaks you from inside. So, how would you tell them कि, because even if we tell people, what we tell them is you'll be okay, you'll be fine, why are you sad? But they don't understand what the person is going through. So, what would you tell these kind of people who will be listening to you when the video goes live on our social media?
So those who are aware, first of all, those who are actually aware that they're going through something, be it anything, be it any kind of a traumatic, past traumatic stress, whether it is anxiety, whether it is, you know, you name it, anything. There are plenty of mental health issues, and it's good that if they are aware of it, so that's very good. Now they're aware, they should as immediately as possible contact the therapist. There are so many who are giving online therapies, and you have to make sure that nothing else matters except you yourself. Nothing else matters. The only thing is because mental health is not visible, so people are like, यार ये क्या होता है, ये तो कुछ नहीं होता, 2 दिन में ठीक हो जाएगा. People just they are unable, they have actually lost the sight to uh, be humane actually. And those who, there's like loneliness, and there was a time, I do remember, when I was in school, I was being questioned that, Zipari, why are you so nice? And I was numbed. I was like, आजकल के ज़माने में गुनाह है क्या इतना अच्छा होना? It was not, जवाब नहीं था. It was, I was questioning कि there are people who can't digest the fact that there is someone better than you. People can't digest, and be it in any space.
This
Take
has
it
actually
office, take it
happened with
college.
me also. कि
Yeah.
तुम इतनी अच्छी कैसे हो सकती हो? Like, how are you so giving, so compassionate? मतलब, isn't this a world where you have to just look out for yourself and no one else? But I feel it's always good to help others. When you understand other people's pain, that is when you understand that you're not the only one suffering. There are people around who have much bigger problems. And suicide is not an option. How do you think, like, when you're in that frame of mind that I just want to end my life, they say कि नहीं helpline को call करो या friend को phone करो, but you're in such a state of mind that you're like, no, this is the option. So how do you think people should react at that time when they're like, let me end my life?
Also I want to say there are some people who are saying that, please contact me, please call me, please
Right.
DM me, please
Yeah, yeah,
message me, I'm there for you. कब तक रहेगा? एक दिन, एक हफ्ता, एक महीना, एक साल, and बाद में they'll be back to the square one. Okay.
Right, right.
And it is
Very good.
easy to see for people like call me or so. It is really generally nice that they have thought कि people should, but तुम अकेले कितने लोगों को जवाब दोगे? We are not
Correct.
God. Be able to just boon everyone really good life. अगर भगवान होते तो इधर नहीं होते. It is actually that we all together have to take this conscious effort to be gentle, be empathetic. And again, people have their own definitions of empathy. People are not understanding there's a huge difference between sympathy and empathy. There's a huge difference between advising and active listening. These are the skills that you need
Right.
to people question that we don't have psychology degree, we are not trained as a therapist. How can we help? I mean, there's technology. सबके घर में phone है, सबके घर में कुछ ना कुछ है जिसके माध्यम से they can go online and search for certain suggestive measures or techniques or steps to help your whosoever who is facing. At the end, being non-judgmental is the best way, because if someone is coming to you with a problem, I think first of all they have trusted you. You know, yes, this person might not just listen to me, but actually place myself in their shoes, and being empathetic.
Right.
So for some people, they don't just appreciate. In the case of suicide, people are saying that he shouldn't have given up. He was such a philosophical, so intellectual. He had such a good name. He was at the peak of his career. But hey, when person is at that stage of suicide, वो नहीं कि वो सुबह उठा उसको दिमाग में and he did it.
Correct.
It was इतने सालों का, imagine कितना piled up pain होगा, महीनों का, God knows for how long he must have kept it inside, that it get like एक mountain जैसा वो piled up हो गया, and that's when at that moment he said that now it's no one is
There for me.
but yeah, the people who are feeling suicidal, it is something that we should start judging them, that you're so weak, you're so तुम्हारे अंदर हिम्मत नाम की चीज नहीं है, everything. People just take few seconds and they judge the person like anything.
Correct.
At that moment, they really require non-judgmental atmosphere, a very acceptance, empathy, active listening. And I don't think we humans were here to spread hate. We were not here to create such viruses. We were here to spread love, care, genuinely, acting in a very selfless manner. Now, there are people who are having their own charity organization, who are having NGO and all, and then they are being very flashy about it. But again, hey, if you have done something which is very selfless, जो एकदम दिल से किया हो, so why are you waiting for an applause, or why are you waiting for some acknowledgement? If you know that you have done it, which is like a help, because generally people who actually help, they know that यार मैंने तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया. Whatever I felt, it was right in the moment. I did that. So yeah, I think just need to be sensitive and communicate.
Yeah, basically, I was just coming to that. Through this, I think we should make one of the topics very important, where we also talk about mental health through the communicator. And we'd be really glad if you could be a part of it, because you're obviously doing your psychology degree, and you've been the winner of the 3rd edition. So
I would love to, because I'm telling you, I know a lot of people who are suffering, who have suffered, who have felt suicidal, and they didn't know what to do.
Yeah.
Because बचपन से कभी सिखाया नहीं गया है, बचपन से सिर्फ बोला गया है कि मार्क्स लाओ, कॉलेज में जाओ, जॉब करो, शादी करो, and then
correct. It's just like a pattern. This is your life. It's like we're a robot. We have to follow the sequence. If we try to go and do something unconventional, we're always questioned. So, like, if I should take up this, I'm actually going deep into the psychology part, because I think that will help our audience more when they join the competition also. Because this is going to be a pan-India event this time.
Yeah. So first of all, beginning with my experience, so that it's a little bit relatable to people, so when I was in school, school year बहुत छोटा हो गया है, in the sense, when you go in college, you meet people from across various places in India. That's when there's like a real competition. That's when you realize there's so much of politics anywhere. Anyways, you name it, anything, politics is everywhere.
Right.
So suddenly there was a gap for me where I was unable to express my views, because I was just stunned with the amount of politics it's there everywhere. बाहर क्या, लोगों के घरों में भी politics है. So when this opportunity came for me, the reason I was hesitant to take part into it because मेरा self confidence was एकदम low.
Okay.
That अच्छा, I can participate and can I be the winner? But more than thinking about the winning, I wasn't confident that if I'll be able to deliver a very innovative and an authentic content, because you don't know what your other competitors are going to say.
Right.
It's a virtual online competition. So the moment I went and when I cleared the round one, when I cleared the round two, I realized it was so much needed in this lockdown because I think it's like a new life birth for me because this particular thing has made me realize that खुद पे विश्वास रखना, having that belief that yes, I am no less, I have that potential, I have that talent, so let me just play with it, let me just enjoy with it. And if अगर ऊपर वाले ने दिया है कुछ तो why to waste it, अगर उसने कुछ दिया तो कुछ सोच के ही दिया होगा.
Correct.
Some people are unable to channelize their own gifts. उनको पता है कि उनके अंदर ये टैलेंट है, ये है, वो ये कर सकते हैं, एंड वो घिसी पीटी वही रैट रेस में उनको जाना
Huh.
पड़ता है, एंड it just gets spoiled.
Yeah, and there's also fear because they're afraid of judgment.
Just wanted to convey that if we are confident enough in ourselves, if we are sure that जो भी whatever the way that we are expressing our talent, our gifts on whatever platform, कोई भी माध्यम से हो, if we know that we are doing it from pure intentions, we know that we are doing it, not to pull someone down and उसके बेस के ऊपर popularity gain करना, not to hurt someone verbally, physically, emotionally. If you're sure that your content is out of pure intentions, pure motives, then who is there to stop you? Because you're so confident in your, in your work, you're so confident कि you will not feel अगर कोई comment भी करेगा ऐसा, that will actually, and there are people who get demotivated, who get into anxiety, who get into उनका self esteem low हो जाता है. क्यों? Because people are not supporting them. क्यों? Because people I think that's what I said, 2020 is not cruel, it's we who are cruel.
Yeah.
So यही चीज है which I want to say. If you are confident enough, if you have faith in yourself, if you are strong enough that yes, you are right, you're on right path, I think nothing can stop you. Only if you're doing it from pure intentions. That's it.
So if your heart says do it, there shouldn't be a second thought. You should just do it.
Yeah.
That is what was your intuition even when you got the offer for the communicator, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when we got the offer also, it was, like, why to waste your days thinking that when lockdown will get over, just give your best, whatever it is. And I think this was the best productive thing that I have got as an opportunity during this
Yeah,
time.
yeah. Because even Krishna sir was very. He actually told me, "Did you go and see Dipali's video? She's done a fantastic job." And when I actually saw that story, I was very moved. I'm like, she's saying it with so much feel, and people, you guys should go and watch her video. It's on our page. It's on Instagram. It's on uh, LinkedIn and Facebook. Please go and have a look because what she's expressed is true from her heart. So, anything else that you'd like to tell people about why they should participate in the communicator?
Yeah. First of all, don't think about that. आपको ही जीतना है. कि लोग क्या कहेंगे अगर मैं नहीं जीती या जीता. Waste of time. People are having self doubt in themselves. Like me, I'm also there. जैसे मुझे था, but मैंने, the only thing is that I took it in a very positively challenging way. That ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या ही हो जाएगा. It's like that. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या ही हो जाएगा. At least I am getting an opportunity to explore again, to dive into myself again. Who am I? Like, what is my talent?
Right.
Um, Also, I want to mention that people feel that, you know, कि यार ज़्यादा success, ज़्यादा fame नहीं होना चाहिए and all that. See, there's no harm in dreaming. There's no harm in fulfilling your dreams. तुम सपने देखो, तुम उनको पूरा करो. You enjoy your life, but again, not at the cost of, you know, uh, hurting someone.
Yeah.
You enjoy your life, but not at the hurt. And when I do remember when I was rehearsing for my, you know, I did rehearse because काफी टाइम तक मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी आया ही नहीं जहाँ पे मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट हो दैट आई कैन बी अ पावरफुल स्पीकर. And for all those who get this opportunity, who get this offer, see, one एक होता है कि जिनको ये offer आता ही नहीं है, और एक है जिनको offer आता है. If it comes to you, please don't waste. Go and explore yourself. क्या पता कि तुम्हारा talent, तुम्हारे gifts, तुम्हारा जो best है, you know, whatever it is here, it just paves you way for your dreams, for a better life, you know. So you just never know. So just give it and enjoy. Actually, what I also want to mention is that usually in competitions, people are like, वो क्या सोच रही होगी, उसने क्या story सोचा होगा, वो क्या सोच रहा होगा, वो उसका क्या content हो सकता है. But actually, competition is not with your competitors. Competition
It's
is
with
with
yourself.
yourself.
Correct. Yeah.
And that is what was happening with me. I was gaining trust in myself. I was believing in myself. There was like a self-discovery period going on for me. So just tell to people, yeah, don't compete, don't pull someone down. Just believe कि ये मेरे साथ है, मुझे खुद पे जीतना है. And that is what I think, I guess life is. मुझे खुद से जीतना है, and मुझे खुद को, you know, I want to explore that actually what best version I can be. So yeah, that's it. I would just want to say.
Okay.
Thanks. So I was just saying यही कि जो problem मेरे लिए हो वो शायद आपके लिए ना हो, and जो problem आपके लिए वो शायद मेरे लिए ना हो, because we all have different way. We have सबका अलग-अलग नजरिया है, and you know what we can do at the best is not judge and actually be selfless. Uh, you know, be kind, but again, kind is the word which we take, you know, essay, you know, kind is actually where you are helping with your heart, with your soul, and you know, I just want to be there for them because I can understand their pain.
Yeah.
And just, you know, need to be a human. Again, it's a big call. It's a wake up call for the entire society, for the entire human civilization, that I think Mother Earth is anyways happy. Even if we die, our human civilization, even if it gets washed off, I think they don't have anything to weep upon. I think they'll be happy if humans are not here. So we have to realize that instead of we taking control over the environment, the, you know, Mother Earth and everything, you know, we taking, you know, there's a constant, we are taking control of everything, you know, be materialistic, be it in any way. We do understand that we are not here to control. We are here to spread brotherhood, spread awareness, and awareness of that, you know, अगर कुछ God forbid कुछ होता भी है, we are here to help each other, to lift up each other, not to drag down each other, because anyways life throws you lemons, and anyways you have to make lemonade out of it.
Correct.
So let's be, you know, let's be human, let's be compassionate, let's be resilient at the same time. So yes,
Yeah.
that's it.
So just one last question. So can we consider this situation as a blessing in disguise, even though the situation outside is not great? But like, should we take this as a learning period where we become a better person and just spread love and happiness?
Yeah. Yeah, so this is a wake-up call for sure for the entire humanity. And as in the previous question also you mentioned that, you know, what people should do in this, you know, you know that who you are, so why are you wasting your days in counting them when this lockdown will get over? You know, just make your each day as possible, you know, as living. I wouldn't say productive क्योंकि हर एक का अपना productive है. किसी ने cooking कर लिया, किसी ने painting कर लिया, किसी ने घर की सफाई कर ली.
हर एक का अपना वे है to make it productive, but to actually live in that moment. I do remember I had written a poem where I said that, जो कल था वो शायद आज ना हो, और जो आज है वो शायद कल ना हो. As cliche as कल हो ना हो, but that is people take it for granted.
Yeah.
So yes, just live in the moment. Don't keep any grudges, any hatred. As people say, life is too short to hold for all these things. You just never know कि एक snap में we all can get wiped out. So it's better that we vibrate on positive vibrations rather than just jealousy and all these things.
So, guys, this is the message we wanted to convey to you, and we have Dipali as the winner of our third edition of the Communicator. For more details, you can go on our Insta website and find out more information. And I'd urge you all to take part because, like Dipali said, it brought a change in her. She became more confident. She learned a lot. So I think this is a chance for you to explore yourself. So do participate. And thank you so much. Thank you, Dipali. It was lovely having you.
Yeah. Thank you to the
Thank you.
communicator. Yeah. Thank
Yeah.
you.